Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change background color using Squarespace website. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps. So for me, I'm actually using Brave, and of course for you, you can use other tutorials, other browsers, other tutorials, yeah. So of course, you can just go here and type squarespace.com, and it will actually takes you directly into Squarespace website. So here, what you actually need, if it's your first time using the website, you would like to go and actually create your account. Then just go and create some, or choose some templates from here to start using the website correctly. So here I'm just going to click at my icon here, and it will actually takes me here into my dashboard, and I will just choose any website or any templates from here. Just go and click at go to website. Sorry for that sound, I just had a call. So as we said, all you need to do here, just go and click at the edit button here, and you'll be actually able to edit your actual website. So here, just choose a section that you already have. So let's just choose this section as an example, then click here at edit section. So here I'm just going to choose add background here, introducing background arts, create unique animated background to draw visitors in. So let's just close. Of course you can use a background as an image, as a video, or even as an art. So let's choose an art, which is the most simple for me right now, because I don't want to upload. It will just take too much time because my actually Wi-Fi is so slow. So let's say as an example, that is just an art. So let's just choose maybe this one. So as you can see, this actually an art moving. So here, if you want to change the color of the background, just go click on that, and here you will have like this options of changing. So of course you can choose whatever of those. So of course the background is dark, so it will not even show you the difference. Of course, if you use an image or a video, as you can see from here, it will actually show the difference for you. So this will be actually for the tutorial. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.